Welcome to another powerful Excel tutorial. Today, we're diving deep into array formulas and dynamic arrays, two game-changing features that make your spreadsheet smarter and more efficient. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, this lesson will help you automate complex calculations, eliminate duplicate data, and filter results effortlessly, all with a single formula. So, let's get started and take your Excel skills to the next level. Before we jump into dynamic arrays, let's first understand what an array formula is. In simple terms, an array formula performs multiple calculations at once and returns one or more results in a single step. Let's look at a quick example. Imagine we have a list of sales values, and we want to calculate a 10% commission for each salesperson. Normally, we'd write a formula like this for each row, equals A2 asterisk 10%. But with an array formula, we can calculate all commissions at once by typing equals A2, A10 asterisk 10%. And instead of pressing enter, we press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter in older Excel versions. This tells Excel that we are working with an array formula. Now, here's the exciting part: dynamic arrays. In older versions of Excel, array formulas required Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter and were hard to edit. But with Excel 365 and Excel 2021, dynamic arrays update automatically and spill results into multiple cells without extra effort. Let's look at how dynamic arrays work. Let's say we have a list of customer names, and some of them are repeated. Instead of manually searching for duplicates, we can use the unique function to remove them instantly. Example: to extract unique names from column A, we simply type equals unique, A2 A20. And just like that, Excel will return only the unique names, no need for complex formulas or manual work. Remove duplicate products using unique. Extract only unique product names from column B, product equals unique, B2, B11. Output, laptop, phone, tablet. Filter sales greater than $1,000 using filter. Extract sales records where the amount is greater than $1,000. Equals filter, A2 D11, C2 C11 1000. Output, John Doe, laptop 1200 north. Robert Brown, tablet 1500 east. Emily Davis, laptop 2000 west. Sarah Johnson, laptop 2200 east. James Clark, laptop 1700 north. Mary Adams, tablet 1900 south. Sort customers by sales in descending order using sort by. Equals sort by, A2 D11, C2 C11, -1. Output, sorted list from highest to lowest sales. Extract North region sales using filter. Equals filter, A2 D11, D2 D11 equals north. Output, John Doe, laptop 1200 north. Michael Wilson, phone 500 north. James Clark, laptop 1700 north. Generate random sales data using RANDARRAY. Generate random sales data using RANDARRAY. Equals RANDARRAY, 10 1 500 3000 true. Output generates 10 random numbers between 500 and 3000 for sales. Dynamic arrays eliminate the need for complex formulas, manual sorting, and filtering. With functions like unique, filter, sort, and RANDARRAY, you can automate your Excel tasks and work faster and smarter. Try these functions in your spreadsheets, and you'll see how Excel's power has truly evolved. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you in the next tutorial.